Okay, good day everyone. Today, our group will present the Module 8, Marketing and Sales Strategy. Marketing and Sales Strategy. Ignitex Module 8 is dedicated to systematic revenue generation. Entrepreneurial leaders will learn to define their market, position, their product, and formalize the customer journey. The primary focus, mapping of sales process, ensure the creation of repeatable, scalable sales blueprint necessary for predictable growth and optimized team performance. This module translates strategy into actionable, measurable execution. Next slide. Concept discoverization. Decision formalize your concept sales approach, transitioning from wholesaling to a repeatable, scalable process based on Ignitex principles. The output is a sales blueprint defining stage, gates, and KPIs. This strategic investment ensures predictable revenue and accelerates organizational growth. Next, pre. Next. Next, pa. Next. Okay, reflection. We're moving beyond guesswork. Our strategy for launching and scaling the concept is built on 4 non-negotiable pillars. Ensure that every dollar spent directly contributes to revenue and market validation. This is just a market. This is not just a market plan. It's a data-driven to go to market, or GTM, blueprints that guarantees efficiency and rapid brand recall. Why this strategy works? GMT strategy, or market understanding. GTM strategies begins by thoroughly understanding market trends, customer needs, and competitor offerings. This analysis minimizes risk by confirming we're solving a real problem and identifying a defensible market position from day one. Consistent measuring, brand differentiation. We will develop consistent measuring that helps in brand recall and creates clear, compelling differentiation from the competition, where our target audience hear our name, they will instantly know our unique value. Third, measuring performance or accountability, or ROI. Our GTM plans must incorporate defined key performance indicators, or KPIs, to measure the success of all marketing campaigns. We tie every action to a measurable metric, ensuring maximum return on investment. Fourth, identification of elective channels and tactics. Resource efficiency. Startups cannot afford to waste capital. This step helps us avoid wasting resources on strategies that yield low returns by rigorously identifying and focusing solely on effective channels and tactics. We maximize our reach with optimized spend. Okay, next. Slide 7. Ikaw na, Just.
Good day. The first phase is validation and market fit M1 to M5. We start with rigorous customer and needs validation ang M2 to ensure we have a genuine customer problem fit. We then map the opportunity, the M5, and guaranteeing our solution is strategic, strategic, not just innovative. Phase 2 and 3, execution and readiness. Phase 2 is the engine of execution. Here, business modeling, M7, defines our revenue streams, and crucially, marketing and sales strategy, the M8, creates our growth blueprint. So we map the sales process to ensure every lead becomes a predictable outcome. The journey culminates in investment readiness, M11 and M12. We secure feasibility with financial management, M9. We build the team, M10, and finalize our story. The final idea viability, pitch, M12. It is not a dream. It's a validated system ready for scale. So next. Building a full cycle revenue engine. Stop treating sales and marketing as separate functions. This lesson is the blueprint for entrepreneurial leaders who want to master the full revenue cycle, ensuring every investment leads to predictable, repeatable growth. We will move your concept from an unproven idea to a market-ready system by focusing on three critical competencies. So number one is craft an initial sales plan, the foundation. We start by having you understand the overview of marketing and sales and translate the knowledge into a concrete initial action plan. So you'll be with a clear roadmap, not just abstract concepts. Number two, value post-sales customer service, the alignment. Success isn't just a closing the deal. It's maximizing customer lifetime value. These objectives is about making sales and marketing work together. Seamlessly, recognizing that service and advocacy are crucial marketing tools that drive repeat business and referrals. So lastly, understand sales metric and build persuasive sales pitch, the execution. We finalize the plan by making it measurable and deliverable. So you will determine your startup sales and marketing goals. Learn to track the metrics to measure performance and structures a persuasive sales pitch that actually converts. Next. So, mastering the three pillars of predictable revenue. So, number one, the sales process is the engine. We have defined the entire customer journey as a series of steps involving identifying, engaging, and converting prospects into customers to achieve business goals. This is our operational engine. It means every team members follow a tested, optimized path, guaranteeing consistency and allowing us to pinpoint and fix any bottlenecks immediately. The value of sales plan, the map, the sales process is nothing without directions. Our sales plan acts a strategic roadmap to guide and align all our sales efforts. It sets concrete goals, allocates resources effectively, and ensures that the marketing and sales are always driving towards the same objectives. Lastly, the compiling sales pitch, which is the message. A perfect proceed needs a powerful message. We have a distilled our value proposition into a concise and persuasive message about our offering. This ensures that when we engage a prospect at any stage of process, we deliver a message that is clear, differentiated, and drives the desired action. So next. So next reporter, take it over.
So this is revenue generation. So this is immediately goals to define the sales process, except to create a predictable cash. The flow moving as from a project or founded the business, we are measured to success by consistent sales output. And also a customer acquisition, so the growth engine. So we are identifying and bring in a new user, the random outreach. It is a process that lower cost and acquisition. So this called as a CAC and expand to our base efficiently. Next, market validation, the proof. So every customer is about confidence. When a customer to pay the validate or value position, so conferring our solutions, it's a real market need to providing the data we need to pivot or skill to our improve. So relationship building, the future value. So we have built a partnership to focusing on customer and long-term relationship to ensure the high customer so lifetime value. So reduce the convert user into power brands and advocates. Next. Ibalik sa. Next. Ibalik sa. Slide 13. So this is 6 stages to sell engine for predictable growth. So prospecting or qualification to build the pipeline will begin. And researching the potential leads. So critical first step is a qualification. We are not conduct discovery calls, understand the leads need to understand. We stop wasting resources or contact we are not ready to buy. So engage to close the sales or driving the deal. So once qualified, we move into engagement or providing education content. And our solution is developing a customized proposal. The negotiation stage is a structure discussed and negotiable the terms of proposal. So also leading in a definitive moment, we are finalize the contract payment and paperwork. We also stay in the touch or minimize a lifetime value. So it's a beginning, the final stage to resolve issue and to get a referral renewal, or this is ensure the long-term customer certification or convert to advocate into a continuous revenue stream. So, the foundation for sustainable sales. So, build relationship is sales a success. On trust is not transactions. So, know what is a target audience. All discover their needs. So, most focus on customers, problem is not for our product. Focus on value of provide the solution on most clearly articulate how we solve their plain points. Lastly, so invest in the sales training, so continuous learning to ensure our team maintain competitive edge. So next report.
So we have one size fit all approach. So we reject generic script, or our process meditates tailored solutions for every qualified prospect, so ensuring high engagement and relevance. Next is we have focus solely on closing deals. So the close is a milestone, not finish line. So our strategy integrates customer success from day one, or focusing on long-term value and advocate not just transactional wins. So next we have a market is never out of the loop. So we break down the silos, or sales provide real-time customer insights back to the marketing, and marketing equips sales with the content they need. This unified approach maximizes campaign or on ROL or ROI. So next we have we never ignore customer feedbacks. So feedbacks is the most valuable asset. We have established system to capture, analyze, and implement customer comments, and ensuring our products and pitch constantly evolve and improve. So the last is post-sale communication is not neglected. So customer retention is our meditate. We actively stay in touch to resolve and secure renewal and referrals, turning satisfied customers into a future revenue streams. So we have highlight common pain points. So we start by immediately establish relevance. We explain in clear and conceive language the core problem our audience is facing. So building instant report and showing we understand their world. So next is connect with audience emotionally. So logic convinces, but emotion compels. So we use customer testimonials and real-world stories to show the impact of our solution, not just the mechanics. Next is on focus on benefits. So whenever pitch features, we focus on outcomes, the value, and the qualitable return on investment on ROI. So every pitch and with a clear and concise call to action, defining the immediate next step. So next we have practice. Avoid being overly technical and be active listener. So our team is trained to avoid being overly technical, and most importantly, to be active listeners. A great pitch is a conversation, not a monologue, ensuring we address every concern in real time. So next.
is we have a sales strategy. So we have a foundational, well-defined sales strategies and process that enables us to streamline customer acquisitions. So this means eliminating bottlenecks and ensuring a fast, consistent, and predictable path from prospect to customer. Next, we have effective sales strategy. So our vision goes beyond initial transactions. An effective strategy must include concrete plans for customer retention and upselling by maximizing customer lifetime value or CLV. So we turn early wins into sustained financial growth. So next is high potential leads. So or focusing resources. So we refuse to waste resource on cold leads through effective sales automation, lead scoring, and customer relationship management or CRM. So we focus our efforts exclusively on high potential leads, ensuring our sales team maximize conversion rates and efficiency. So next we have a compelling sales pitch or the driving action. So finally, we ensure our message is persuasive. Our compelling sales pitch captured potential customer attentions and proceed them to take the desired action, clearly articulating our unique value and the solution we provide. So last is the individual concept of revision. So the exercise requires each team members to individually revise the concept based on the structured feedback received. This ensured alignment on the core solution before moving to the public-facing documentation, hardening the entire value propositions. So we have the team sales and pitch blueprint. So the venture journey activities is where the rubber meets the road. As a team, you will understand and build your sales approach and pitch, creating the actual sales documentation needed for market entry. This moves you from discussing a sale process to owning a definitive, repeatable sales blueprint. So last is, we have the future financial readiness. So the prep for next session ensures continuity by reading up on a startup cost and completing the quiz. So you are immediately preparing entering the next critical phase, financial management for profitability, linking your sales expectation directly to your budget. That's all. Thank you.